Jesse, turn passenger and try. Your front locker on? Back up a hair.
Yeah, that front locker don't want to let you turn it off.
All right, give that a little bump. There you go.